Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2014. First, let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. They have given 3 JK flip-flops and they are saying that the above synchronous sequential circuit. Why it is a synchronous? If you see that we have a common clock for all the 3 JK flip-flops. Okay, using JK flip-flops is initialized with Q2 as 0, Q1 as 0, Q0 as 0. This is the initial state. The state sequence for the circuit for next 3 clock cycles is, if this is the initial clock cycle, means in the initial clock cycle the circuit is in the state called 0 0 0, then they are asking what will be the state sequence for the circuit for next 3 clock cycles. They have given option A, B, C and D. We need to find the right answer. Now for doing that one, we need to find the each J and K value in the each flip-flop. Am I right? Now we will try to do it because the next state, because they have given Q2, Q1 and Q0 and its complement were there. Because it is a JK flip-flop, you will have J and K and you will have Q1 and Q1's complement. Now the thing is that if I want to find its next state, suppose let's take that I want to find Q2n, because right now it is Q2, I want to find its next state. The next state will be depend on its J and K and its present state value. Am I right or wrong? So now we will find the what is the J and K value in each flip-flop. Now if you see that J2 is equal to Q1's complement. J2 is equal to Q1's complement because Q1's complement is connected to J2. Now if you see that K2 is equal to Q0. K2 is equal to Q0. If you see that J1 is equal to Q2. Am I right? Similarly, K1 is equal to Q2's complement. J0 is equal to Q1. K0 is equal to Q1's complement. Q0's complement because K0 is equal to Q0's complement. Now we got the what is the corresponding values for the J2 and K2, J1 and K1, J0 and K0. Now what I will do is that I will take the present state and this JK flip-flop, each J and K value, I will find the next state. So to do that one, I want to erase this diagram. I hope you have noted down this diagram. Otherwise, you pause the video and note down this question. Okay. So what I will take is that I need to take the each flip-flop J value and K value. So we got J2, K2, J1, K1, J0, K0. Similarly, we have Q2, Q1 and Q0 are the present states. Am I right? Now, let me find out what are the combinations of inputs are possible. If you have 3 binary variables Q2, Q1 and Q0, how many input combinations are possible? 2 power 3, which is 8. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. These are the 4 combinations. Then the next 4 combinations are 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. Is it clear? Now we'll find these values also. Let me draw the diagram properly so that it will be easily visible for you. First let me draw this one. In the meantime, if you know the solution, you please do it and tell me what is the answer you got, and finally you can verify the answer with me. Okay, otherwise you please watch the video completely. Now if you see that, let me draw the line so that, because it is a big table, you will get confused. Now J2 is equal to Q1's complement. What is Q1? Is 0. Then its complement will be what? Its complement will be 1. Will you agree with me or not? Okay. Similarly, it is Q1's complement. So you will get 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, because J2 is equal to Q1's complement. We got the Q1 here and its complement is 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Like that I found the complement of it and substituted the values in the J2. Now similarly K2 is what? Q0. What is Q0? This is 0 1 0 1. I will keep those values. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now J2 K2 are done. Now we will see the J1. J1 is saying that Q2. What is the Q2 values? 4 zeros, 4 ones. You keep them 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. Okay. K1 is equal to Q2's complement. Q2 is this one. Its complement will be 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Similarly, if you look at J0, J0 is equal to Q1. Where is Q1? This is the Q1. You find the Q1 value, which is 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Are you able to follow with me or not? Similarly, K0 is equal to Q0's complement. What is Q0? This is Q0. Its complement will be 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. You can check it, cross verify it again. What is J2? J2 is Q1's complement. Q1 is 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Done. K2 is equal to Q0. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Correct. J1 is equal to Q2. So you should have 4 zeros, 4 ones. Correct. K1 is equal to Q2's complement. If it is 4 zeros, 4 ones, its complement will be 4 ones, 4 zeros. Am I right? J0 is equal to Q1. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Correct. K0 is Q0's complement. What is Q0? It is 0 1. So you should get 1 0. 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. Yes, correct. Now what I need to find is that I need to find its next state values. Okay, the present state is Q2, Q1 and Q0. Its next state will be Q2n, Q1n and Q0n. That n represent it is a next state. Okay, are you able to follow with me or not? Now tell me one thing. How can I get the Q2n value? It will depend on J2 and K2 and Q2. Why? The each flip-flop next state will depend on its flip-flop inputs. The flip-flop inputs are J2, K2 and Q2 here. Now if you look at J2 means JK flip-flop, you will have 4 conditions. Am I right? If it is J and K value is 0, 0, the next state Qn plus 1, let me write Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn, which is equal to present state. If it is 0, 1, you will get 0. The Qn plus 1 is equal to 0, which will act as a reset. If it is 1, 0, you will get 1. If it is 1, 1, Qn plus 1, the next state is equal to complement of the present state. Am I right or wrong? This is the function table of the JK flip-flop. Now if you look at it, we got 1 0. 1 0 meaning is that it will be set. Are you able to understand? If it is 1 1, 1 1 meaning is that Q2's complement. Q2 I got 0, its complement is 1. If it is 0 0, whatever it is there, you will get it. Am I right? Next state is equal to previous state or next state is equal to present state. Now if it is 0 1, what is the meaning? You will get 0. If it is 1 0, you will get 1. If it is 1 1, you will get the complement of it. Complement of 1 is 0. Okay, if it is 0, 0, whatever the present state, the next state value will be same. Is it clear? It is 1, we got the 1. If it is 0, 1, whatever this value, we will get 0 only. Are you able to understand? Similarly, the q1 n value, meaning is that the next state will be depend on the j1 and k1 and q1. Now we will look at it is 0, 1. Whatever the present state, the next state value will be 0. If it is 0, 1, I will get 0, 0, 0. It is 1, 0. So whatever it is, we will get ones only. Are you able to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. JK flip-flop will act as a set. Okay, let me erase this one to complete the characteristic table or the truth table. Okay, now q naught n will be depend on j naught, k naught and q naught. Now if you look at it is 0, 1. 0, 1 means 0. 0, 0 means whatever the value is there in q naught, the same value will come. If it is 1, 1, its complement will come. 0's complement is 1. If it is 1, 0, you will get 1. If it is 0, 1, you will get 0. If it is 0, 0, whatever the value is there, that value will come. Okay. If it is 1, 1, its complement will come. 0's complement is 1. If it is 1, 0, it will act as a set. Are you able to understand? So we have taken the present states. From the present states, we found the each JK flip-flop, J and K value. Then J and K value and the present state, we got the next state of each flip-flop. Now using this one, we can find the next 3 states in the clock cycles. Are you able to understand? So to do that one, let me erase this one. Okay, now you look at what is the initial state they have given. Initial state they have given as q2, q1, q0 is 0, 0. Now if you look at it, it is 0, 0, 0. What is its next state? 1, 0, 0. Write it. 1, 0, 0. From 0, 0, 0 to, it went to 1, 0, 0. Now go to the 1, 0, 0. Yeah, 1, 0, 0. What is the next state? It is 1, 1, 0. Are you able to understand? Now from 1, 1, 0, where it went? It went to 1, 1, 1. Are you able to understand? It is very simple. Once you constructed the table, it is very easy. They are saying that it was initially 0, 0, 0. Yes. Then where it went? The next state is 1, 0, 0. From 0, it went to decimal number 4. Are you able to understand? Now go to 4. From 4, where it went? 1, 1, 0. From 1, 1, 0, where it went? 1, 1, 1. From 1, 1, 1, where it went? 0, 1, 1. It went to 0, 1, 1. Now go to 0, 1, 1. It went to 0, 0, 1. Let me write 0, 0, 1. Okay. Are you able to understand? From 0, 0, 1, where it went? From 0, 0, 1, where it went? It went to 1, 0, 1. Okay. From 1, 0, 1, it went to 0, 1, 1. Okay, is it clear? Are you able to understand? Like that we have to do. But what is the thing? They have asked the states in the next 3 clock cycles. Initially it is 0, 0, 0. The next clock cycle, it went to the state called 1, 0, 0. And then it went to 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now we will see the each option and we will try to find right option. The state option A is saying that from 0, 0, 0, it went to 0, 1, 1. But we are the state is going to 1, 0, 0. So this is not the right answer. Now come to the option B. Option B is saying what? From 0, 0, 0, it went to the next state called 1, 1, 1. But it went to 1, 0, 0. So even the option B is wrong. We will see option C. From 0, 0, 0, it went to 1, 0, 0. Yes, correct. From 1, 0, 0, it went to 1, 1, 1. Sorry, 1, 1, 0. Correct. From 1, 1, 0, it went to 1, 1, 1. Even it is saying 1, 1, 1. So the option C is correct. Now we will verify why option D is wrong. Okay. 1, 0, 0. It is saying that from 0, 0, 0, it is going to 1, 0, 0. Yes, this part is correct. From 1, 0, 0, it went to 1, 1, 0. But they are saying it is going to 0, 1, 1. So option D is wrong. So can you tell me what is the right answer for this question? Option C is the right answer for this gate question. If you have any doubts related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. By some people will get fear when they see the circuit diagram and they'll think that I cannot solve this question. But see, I have simplified in a very short span. Am I right? With practice, you can solve it in very less amount of time. Are you able to understand it or not? So I request everyone to practice these kind of questions so that you can answer these questions in the exam very easily. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.